Most of the students are facing difficulties and challenges while studying, be it while preparing for the exam or any kind of test. So here's some of the few tips that I can give it to you so that it will help you to improve your studies. And if you apply all these steps carefully, then I'm sure that there would not be any problem in your studies ever again. So let's get started. First of all, let us talk about the essentials that is needed before we start our studies. The first one is get proper sleep. According to the research from the organizations such as the American Academy of Sleep Medicine and Sleep Research Society, it is recommended that any adult should target to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours a day for better performance. So that right there, I think you need to take care about your sleep. I think we all live in the era where everyone uses a mobile phone and we uses social media very often. But in order to get a better focus and concentration in your studies, based on whichever subject that you study, it is better for you to keep aside your mobile phones away from you. So the second important point is do not disturb. Do not disturb yourself with your mobile phones, with your social media, or with any technology. Just keep it in flight mode or just keep it in silent mode away from you. That will help you get a better performance in your studies. The third point that you have to keep in mind is that for a given topic or for any given subject that you have chosen to study, first you need to go through the topic in order to understand the topic, and you have to find the meaning of each and every word which is there in the topic by using a dictionary. That would help you understand the topic better, not just memorizing each and every line. Now let's move to the fourth step. Now this fourth step will help you to reduce time while revising your topic. That is by the use of keywords method. What are these keywords? These keywords are the most important words or phrases that are present in the main idea or topic of a subject. Now let us consider any random paragraph like this one. Photosynthesis is a process by which green plants use sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to produce glucose and oxygen. So in the above paragraph, the keywords are photosynthesis, green plants, sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, glucose and oxygen. So when you revise your notes, instead of studying the whole paragraph word by word, you need to focus only on the keywords. So that will help you to reduce time and save more time for the other topics that you need to revise. Now let's move to the fifth step. While studying, you have to always remember to keep in mind that a small short break is important. That is, you can study for about an hour, then take a break for 10 minutes. And during that break, you can go and take some water for hydration, go outside the room for refreshing, then come back to study again. In that case, you will be able to focus more and it will not drain your energy much. Now the next step, I call it the ARF method. Always revised frequently. Review what you have learned after every week or every month. This will help you to remember longer and it will stay in your mind for a longer period. So in that case, if an exam comes or a test comes, you don't need to worry much because it is already there in your mind. You just need only to apply the keywords, and that's all. I'm sure that we have all encountered in our school days or in our academic learning that sometimes we often admire some of the teachers, and sometimes we also wish to have a mind understanding like them, because when we ask them questions, they often answer it easily without hesitation or without any doubt. So that's why we have to remember this last step: teach someone else. It is often the best way to understand more clearly about the topic and remember it better if you teach the same topic to someone, and that someone may be your friends, your cousin, your classmates, or anyone that you can teach. So that's why try to make a chance to teach someone else, and in that case you will remember much better about the subject and it will stay longer in your mind. So those are the 7 tips that I have listed for a better performance in your studies. But still, if you find any other tips, we always want to know. Just drop it in the comment below so that we will know and we can apply in our everyday life. Thank you for watching. God bless you and stay safe. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.